Moto Guzzi celebrates a decade of V7 racer bikes with the 2020 V7 Racer 10th anniversary. The factory builds on the third and current generation V7 Racer with some café-tastic bodywork that sets it apart from the base model. There are Easter eggs aplenty from models past scattered about this celebratory machine to turn it into something of a rolling tribute piece. As with the rest of the V7 line, power comes from the signature transverse-mount V-twin with over 50 ponies on tap and a new adjustable house brand traction control feature to help you keep it under control. Under the hood, wireless connectivity to web-based services brings an infotainment element to the table along with bonafide modern credentials. For the V7 Racer 10th anniversary, the factory needed a way to add a bit of café racer style to an already café-tastic machine. It did so through the use of the tiniest suggestion of a classic bullet fairing. It sports a clear screen atop black mullions that meet in the middle to house the round headlight. Special, model unique red graphics pick up by the red and black racing tail cover that comes complete with oval racing number plates to finish out the café racer package. The number 7 is run as a nod to the previous generations of V7 machines, and the edge of the plates have the detail of the Italian flag to further set it apart from the rest of the range.